Dear students, welcome back to my another online English class. In the previous English class, I have discussed for you about tense, definition of tense, and the definition of three types of tense very clearly. I hope you had enjoyed my class. Now today, I am going to discuss for you about the different types of tenses. In those three types of tense, such as present tense, past tense and future tense. So look at the whiteboard. I hope the whiteboard is shown very clearly. So there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense and the future tense. So present tense, how many present tense are there in English grammar? There are four types of present tense in English grammar: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. That is the under past tense. So there are four types of past tense in English grammar, and there are also four types of future tense in English grammar, such as future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and the future perfect continuous. So I will show you, my students, the structure of these 12 tenses. So let's write the structure of these 12 tenses. Present indefinite, so the structure of this tense is subject plus V1, that means the base form of verb or the present form of verb, plus object or extension. For an example, I break a glass. Present continuous. Subject plus auxiliary verb am, is, are, or be verb. You can tell as be verb, plus V1 ing. That means ing will be added with the base form of verb or the present form of verb, plus object or extension. For an example, I am breaking a glass. Present perfect tense. Subject plus have verb, that means have or has, plus V3, that means the past participle of the verb, plus object or extension. So for an example, I have broken a glass. So look at the sentence: subject I, subjunctive verb or the auxiliary verb have, has, and the past participle of the verb broken, and the object. So present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus have been or has been plus V1 ing plus object or extension. For an example, I have been reading the book for an hour. So the past indefinite tense. Subject plus V2 plus object or extension. I broke a glass. Look at this sentence. Subject I and the broke, that is the past form of the verb break, and the a glass is the object. Past continuous tense. Subject plus auxiliary verb was or were plus V1 ing. That means ing will be added after the present form of the verb plus object or extension. For an example, I was breaking, that is the root word or the present form, and ing will be added according to the structure. I was breaking a glass. Past perfect tense. The structure will be subject plus had, only had, plus V3 plus object or extension. Object or extension. For an example, I had broken a glass. Now, dear students, look at the structure and its example according to the structure. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus V1 ing. That means ing will be added after the present form of verb, extension or object. For an example, I had been reading the book for an hour. So, future indefinite. Indefinite tense. The structure will be subject plus shall or will plus V1, that means the present form of verb, object or extension. For an example, I shall break a glass. Future continuous tense. subject plus shall be or will be plus V1 ing. That means the ing will be added after the present form of verb plus object or extension. For an example, I shall be breaking a glass. Future perfect tense. Subject structure will be subject plus shall have or will have plus V3 plus object or extension. For an example, I shall have broken a glass. So the very final one is future perfect continuous tense. The structure will be subject plus shall have been অথবা or will have been plus V1 ing. That means ing will be added after the present form of verb plus object or extension. For an example, I can show you a sentence. I shall have reading the book for an hour. So my dear students, look at the four types of tense structure in every tense. That means present tense, past tense and the future tense. Present tense, future tense, present tense, past tense and the last one is future tense. So if you can understand the difference between these 12 tense, you will be able to memorize the structure of these tenses lifelong. My dear students, I hope you have enjoyed my class. Try to follow the rules in your house and write a sentence on these 12 tenses so that it will be very clear and you will never forget. So that is the class for today. I hope you have enjoyed my class. I hope I will see you in my next class. Thank you very much.